Hey guys, today we got a cab by Fiberglass ARE CX series. Fits the 14 to 18 Chevy GMC 1500 with the 8-foot beds and the 15 to 19 Chevy GMC 2500 3500s with the 8-foot bed. It's in pretty decent shape and fairly nice cab. Paint looks good up through here. The top on the top edge looks good. All the way through here. Got a little bit of, mostly just a scuff lines right there. I don't think that's, yeah, it's something scuffed against that. Got a couple chips right there. Down through here looks really good. The bottom corner's got a couple chips on it right there. Paint looks good all the way through here. Throughout the bottom edge. That's just a wash brush and some, I don't know, almost looks like paint. Looks a little bit of paint got on the side of that right there. Does have the wind door slider in that, so that's basically what they call a wind door. That opens up like so, allows access into the bed so you can put your camping gear and tools, what have you, in here. And then also has a sliding window on this, so if you wanted to camp in this, it's kind of hard for me. There it goes. This window slides open like that and allows for ventilation. So if you wanted to camp in there, you'd get some ventilation in there, and then close that back up like so. And then it works like a regular wind door then. Sliding window in the front. Looks good through here. It has a couple little chip right there, minor chips on the front edge here. Really not too bad. Top edge looks good through here. All the way down through here. A little bit of a, well, it's not really a chip. I guess it's kind of a chip, but it is a chip. And then it looks good down through here. Paint looks good through the bottom here. Sliding window opens up so you allows access into the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. And then you can close that back up like so. Seal that back off. This side has the same wind door slider in it. Paint looks good through here. Top and the top edge on this side looks good as well. I don't know, a little bit of staining, maybe tree sap or something up there on the top. And a little bit of a, not sure what that little nick or something right there. Looks good through here. The bottom edge looks good. All the way through here. Get right about there. Got a little bit of a scratch right there. And then we've got a little scratch right there. A lot of times these happen because these wind doors, you're dragging stuff in and out, and that happens from dragging stuff in and out. Opens up just like the other side is, allows access into the cap from the cab. Has the sliding window in it, and since we're here, we'll look at it. It does have a tear in the screen right there. Right, basically right in the middle, got a little tear in the screen. Single T-handle locking rear door. Looks good through here on the back side. Another just dirt. A little scratch right there. And then it looks like right on the very corner we got a little chip right there. Carpeted interior. Does have the LED strip lighting in it. That's the screen there that had the hole in it. And then this is a tilt-in slider, so that flips down like so. Like that. This allows access into this. This allows this window to drop in like so that you can clean the front of this window and the back of the truck up there. And then you can flip this back up and latch it down like so. Has the LED strip lighting, and then it has the LED light here in the back. Serial number. It's right there. Oops, there it is. Was built specifically for a 2018 Chevy Silverado 2500, 3500 crew cab with the 8-foot bed. 41 black is the color for standard black. So that's the 14 to 18 or the 15 to 19 on the heavy duties. There they've got an ARE CX series. It's a 2014 to 2018 Chevy GMC trucks, 1500 with the 8-foot bed, and the 2015 to 2019 Chevy GMC trucks, 2500, 3500 heavy duties with the 8-foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those are all available on our site. So you just click that link, put in the search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get it shipped out to you right away. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain cap, style, brand, model, color, bed size, what have you, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you'll want to hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.